Today I'm actually going to be unboxing a camera that I actually have been manifesting for a while. This is actually something that I've really been wanting. Yo, what's up guys? Today I have a very special video because I have my siblings here with me. This is my twin brother Josh, and then this is my little brother Caleb.
Hello.
But today I'm actually going to be unboxing a camera that I actually have been manifesting for a while. This is actually something that I've really been wanting. As you guys know, I've actually used my phone for like all the videos that I posted. I think it was about time to kind of upgrade, and this is something that I've really been wanting for a while. And it's something that I have known that I'm gonna get for a while now. And it's about time that it comes into my reality. But and more importantly, I actually want to make this video to say that any of you guys can do this. You know, this is something that's very attainable. Whatever it is that you guys want to manifest, you know, you have to just have a clear vision, you know what I mean? You have to just really know what it is you want. And visualization has helped me out a lot. I think Caleb can attest to that too. He practices visualization as well, but
yes,
for manifestation.
Manifesting is very important, you guys.
So this is the box, my Canon G7x Mark II. It's a camera that honestly, like I saw someone who I really love watching, Aaron Dowdy, he actually has the Mark I. That's kind of what he uses to film his like videos and stuff with. And this is the Mark II actually, so I'm very excited to open this up. It came in a bundle kit, so it's the camera as well as a couple of other things. And I just want to go over, it came with an SD card, as you guys can see. A little tripod. I don't necessarily need this, but I thought it would be something a little bit extra that I could add maybe.
The SD card's gonna come in handy.
Hell yeah. It definitely will, and I want to invest in a MacBook as well, so hopefully I can upload the videos from here onto the channel. And then it also comes with a nylon bag, which I guess
Is a carrying case?
Yeah, I guess this is the case for the camera.
That's awesome.
A cleaning kit.
That's cool.
A little cleaning kit. Don't know if you guys can see. And as you guys can notice, I actually did my nails thanks to my little brother. He helped me out with them.
Shout out. He helped me get mine done too.
Yeah.
Skirt.
So yeah guys, but I think the more important thing, you know, I wanted to try this vlogging thing out. Not vlogging, but like just this unboxing type thing out. I wanted to try a little bit new. I wanted to try something new on my channel. So this is the camera itself, Canon G7x Mark II. This looks insanely cool.
Wow.
But yeah guys, more importantly though, I kind of wanted to make this video just to say that, you know, you can manifest whatever it is that you want. I currently don't even have a job right now, surprisingly, and I was able to afford this just on my own. So it doesn't really matter, you know, your exterior circumstance doesn't really dictate your reality, you know, and it doesn't have to. And I think that's the main point that I want to make in this video, is that anybody can do this. You know, it's all about beliefs. It's about how you view yourself, you know what I mean? I think it's about knowing that you're abundant, that all of us are, you know, we're all angels on this planet. And I think that it's important for us to realize that that we can all attain this, you know, and it's something that's very doable, which is why I'm super grateful that I was able to get my hands on this bad boy, because this is, you know, an announcement that I've been wanting to make for a while, because I think it's a huge step up for my channel, as well as just other things that we want to do. I have a whole bunch of plans for really big projects that I'm working on with Josh right now. So this will be really good for that, as well as I want to start podcasting as well. So yeah, I'm just very grateful that I'm able to live life how I want to, and live life on my own terms, because I'm able to do that, you know what I mean? And you are too. And I think that it's important to just understand that, you know, being free is our birthright. And so I think that when we're able to understand that, and that's when we kind of start to take our power back, and we're able to do things like this. And I'm able to record videos like this. So yeah, guys, this is the Canon G7x Mark II. They sell this for $4.99 on Amazon. But I got because I got the bundle, which comes with like the case, the SD card, and the cleaning kit. It was $529.99. But yeah, like I said, I don't have a job right now, and I was still able to manifest this. That means that, you know, anything is possible for you. You know, And that's the thing, when you're able to really be grateful and just really know that you're abundant each and every day and just wake up, you know, just grateful to be here, then it's very easy for these things to happen in your life. And I'm very hopeful for each and every one of you that you're able to do this as well. You know, whether it's making videos, whatever, you know, just know that it's always going to work out for you as long as you have understand what it is that you want to do, and you have a passion for something. You know, I think that's important. And so, yeah, I'm very grateful to have this. I'm going to open the box now. Let me stop talking. Let's open this bad boy up. So just opening the box, it comes with the instruction manual. I assume that that's what this is. Yeah, so I guess this would be the charging cable.
Or maybe that attaches to something else that's in the box.
Oh, maybe.
Looks
Very pretty.
So here it is, guys.
wow.
This is the Canon G7x.
I mean, let's take a little moment of silence, am I right? This shit looks
Hell yeah. I mean, this is really good. It's, yeah.
sleek AF, guys.
And so it kind of, there's like a little screen. It kind of pulls out like this.
Oh, so you flip it up on top and you can see yourself.
Yeah,
Okay.
like this.
Yeah, that's
That's
dope.
so cool.
So it has a little flip up so you can see yourself when you're recording. This is the battery right here. And yeah, that's pretty much everything. You know, obviously it comes with a charging port and stuff like that. Let me actually turn this on for you guys. They're setting it up, but they're actually putting the battery in.
No, you can turn it on.
Okay, so we just put the battery in. I'm actually going to turn it on for the first time. Ooh.
Damn.
It's asking
What
me to set
time is
the
it? It's 11.
date and time. Yeah, guys, the more important thing about this video is that I really want you guys to understand that you can attain this as well. You know, like I said before, I don't really have a job right now. I've kind of just been, I do DoorDash, so that's kind of been like my job for the past couple of months. And I've been able to kind of live life, you know what I mean? As Caleb's smiling in the background, but
Here you go.
I've just been living life, and so can you know what I mean? I kind of wanted to make this more of a video about how you can do this, and the fact that you can, and I think it's a beautiful privilege that each and every one of us have. You know, this is just the start, and I'm very grateful that I'm able to record videos for you guys each and every day. But that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. If you want to follow me on my social medias, they're all gonna be down here. And if you have a question,
Mine will be in the description too.
Yeah, mine will be in the description box
Beauty.
below as well.
Yes.
that won't be guaranteed, but yes. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video.
Follow me on YouTube.
No, yeah, I will link their stuff in the description. So I'm gonna link down my little brother's YouTube channel down in the description. Very talented, creative guy, so go follow his stuff out.
This guy too.
Super
Subscribe.
great stuff. Thank you. As well as I'm gonna put Josh's Instagram down in the description as well as our page to our music channel that we're gonna continue to post sometime soon. That's kind of one of the projects that we're working on, so got some fun stuff in store for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any suggestions for future videos that you want me to make, feel free to comment down in the description below as well, or if you just want to say hi, I'm gonna reply to each and every one of you guys. And so yeah, thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful afternoon, morning, or night wherever you're at, and peace, love, and happiness, my friends. Mwah.
Mwah.